up with him. Mr. Sibiya, you have mentioned it many a times in your cross-examination that without the AVRs, which would indicate or which would show the movements of the motor vehicles of the police who dealt with you on the various occasions on which those police dealt with you, the court will not have a clear picture of the movement of those motor vehicles, not so?
Manje ke ummeli isikhathi sakhe sokuthi akubuze imibuzo mayelana nofakazi bakho bethulile ngesikhathi umshushisi kade akubuza imibuzo. Uthi khona udaba lwe-AVL. Usithi ke i-car record ukushicelwa phansi mayelana nokuhamba kwemoto la zihamba khona ngesikhathi njalo. Bathi manje le moto lezi zamaphoyisa kade wona zikhambisa futhi ezinye zikuphelekeza. Ngeke nikhone ukutshela inkantolo ngaphandle kwalama AVL record ukuthi nahamba kuphi umgwaqo ngesikhathi amaphoyisa hamba nawo.
As a court, please, my lord, we think that's a clearly leading question. It basically puts the answer in the mouth of the accused, my lord. If maybe counsel can put it in a different way.
Engaba kumshushisi wakubuzeke lo mbuzo ngendlela ummeli wakho akubuze ngayo uyacela ukuthi akaveze elinye iphimbo mhlawumbe enye ke indlela uma kubuza ke lo mbuzo angawubuza umbuzo ojula isikhungusi oqondile.
No, this is not suggestive of an answer. I'm simply repeating what Mr. Sibiya has been persistently saying under cross-examination. I'm only confirming that with him.
Athi uthi ke ummeli akuyona umbuzo oqondile kepha yinto ubuyilokho uyisho njalo ngesikhathi bola ngaphansi kwesifungo ukuthi wena ke ngaphandle kwalokho kufakazi obukhona ubushicilelwe phansi ebama-car records mayelana nodaba lwama-AVL tracker umuntu bezihambisa angeke ukhone ukubonisa inkantolo ukuthi imoto lezi kade zihamba kuphi ngasiphi isikhathi.
Yebo ngishilo ngithi ukuba khona ama-AVL ungabe ayasiza ukubonisa ukuthi imoto bezihamba kuphi, imoto eso beyikhona, imoto le beyikhona, imoto le beyikhona behamba endaweni eyi-1 ngaleso sikhathi lesebengisisho mina.
Yes, I did say that if the AVRs were here before the court, they were going to assist the court in terms of showing the movement of the car vehicles in which they were present during all the times that I was being transported. If the AVL records were here before the court, they were going to prove about the movement of certain cars that were present.
Thank you, Mr. Sibiya. Thank you. Now, the absence of those AVL records, of those motor vehicles, what would that mean in the case that you're facing?
Uthi ummeli umbuzo wakhe uthi ngokuthi ke lama car records awatholekile ngabe lokhu kungasho ukuthini kule qala ubhekene nalo.
Ungezi kwama-AVL mina ngibona kucindezela iside lami uma mina ngichaza ukuthi imoto zahamba kuphi nakuphi kodwa okubi ngoba lo iphoyisa leli ebelila uleselini leli belila le MPD lasho ukuthi imoto zabo zifidiwe ama-AVL.
The issue of the AVRs not being brought to the court, they are not doing justice to me, because if they were here, they were going to do justice to me. Because even the police officer, police member from the EMPD, the one who was seated here at the back behind the witness, my lord, he once said that all the vehicles, they were fitted with the AVL track.
Ujaji wambuza wamala washo ukuthi ayizonke imoto zabo zifidiwe ama-AVL kodwa umshushisi wathi ebuya umshushisi benokini basebethi imoto zama-MPD ayifidiwe ama-AVL. So lokho ngibona mina kucindezela thina ngoba thina yonke into ethu abayifunayo bona abashushisi namaphoyisa babuya nayo kodwa thina esuke siyifuna ukuthi besilethele yona esiza thina abayilethi.
There was once a time where the judge from the court had asked the gentleman from the EMPD whether those vehicles were fitted or not with the tracker. And the gentleman, he confirmed before the court and said, yes, those cars, they were fitted with the AVL tracker. However, that is not doing justice to me. Whenever the prosecutor and the police, they want something, they're able to bring such before the court whenever it suits them. However, when it has to benefit myself, it does not get to be provided before the court.
So I don't want to misunderstand you, what you're saying. Just want to find out from you if, am I then correct to understand you to mean that without those, partly without those AVL, justice would not be seen to be done in your case?
Manje uthumele ngabe uthi wena ke uma eqonda kahle ngenkulumo yakho uma ngabe lo daba kolama car records we AVL engekho la enkantolo lokho ngeke kuyibo ubulungiswa obuqondile ubulungiswa obukahle la kuwena.
Akusibo ubulungisa obuqondile kimi ngoba sifike kwacela kalama pocket book bathi bayawalahla kwafunakala ama AVL bathi imoto zabo azinawo futhi mina kimi ngibonisa idami licindezeleka kakhulu ngoba uma ngikhuluma into ayizwakali ngendlela ephelele ngoba ufakazi bama ngifuna ukumshushisa yena akasinikezi thina lento esiyifunayo.
That will not serve any justice to me because of, I remember there was once a time when we asked for the books and then they said they usually throw them away. And even those car track records, they were not even brought before the court. That is totally injustice to me. And whenever the prosecution needs something, they are able to bring it and provide it before the court. However, when it's my turn to request something from them or from the police, they don't bring such before the court.
Mr. Sabia, is it correct that the only people who can make available those AVL records are the police themselves?
Usibiya kuyiqiniso ukuthi abantu abangasiza noma abangakhona ukuthi balethe ama-car records lawo yiwo amaphoyisa.
Yebo yiwo amaphoyisa.
Yes, that is correct.
When I say police, I mean the members of the South African Police Services as well as the Metro Police who assisted the members of the South African Police in the period of your arrest.
Umeli uthi ke uma ethi amaphoyisa abangakhona ukuthi basilekelele ngalo daba ubala kamaphoyisa kahulumeni futhi abuya bala kamaphoyisa kamasipala shothi Metropolis ke leyo abakade bekhona ngaso sonke lesikhathi kade uboshiwe bekhambisa kwindawo ezahlukile.
Yebo yibo.
Yes, they are the ones who can be of the assistance.
Thank you, Mr. Sibiya. We will put the issue of the AVL at the back of our minds. Let us proceed to something else.
Uyabonga kumeli ukuthi sithathile sibekele nje emuva kancane